Today we have come up with a video for you. Of course, this video will help you because in today's video we will talk about a facility and every trader is waiting for this facility, and that facility is that you can now make a local deposit in Exness Broker. We will show this completely on mobile so that everyone can take advantage of this. However, if you have an account under Forex BD, you do not have to worry about anything. Even if there is a problem to deposit, our team will cooperate with you completely free. Forex BD will help you in all the places starting from opening the account, verification, deposit and withdrawal. Moreover, if you want, our team will open your account, do verification for free. It will be just to make your Forex journey easier because many people have problems with all these things. So today we will show you how to deposit and the whole process, so stay with us, and I'm an official member of Forex BD. First, let's discuss how to deposit. You need to have a verified account to make a deposit and be sure that account must be under our link. Otherwise, you will be deprived of many benefits. Today we are showing through mobile because not everyone has a PC, but everyone has a mobile. So today we will present the whole issue through mobile so that it is useful for all classes of traders. So at the beginning, we will log into the Exness Client area to make a deposit. So we logged in. We have to pick our ID from here. There is a standard account here, so we will deposit here. This is a real account. That's why we clicked on the deposit option. After clicking, a new page has opened. You can see that there are many payment options. From here, we will select the option of our choice. Here you can see many payment options, so you can select whatever you want. So we select the bank card option. You can deposit a minimum of $10 using this payment system. So we select the bank card, and then you can see another page has come here. Our payment system and account ID are given. If you have many IDs, then you can choose anyone from IDs. Here we have only one ID. Now here we have to submit card details like card number, cardholder name, expired date and CVC. So fill this information by looking at your card. You will get this information on your card. Then we have to write the deposit amount. Here you can deposit a minimum of $10. Then click on the continue option. Your fund will be deposited instantly. So this is very simple thing I hope anyone can do. However, if you have an account under the Forex BD's link, your deposit will be made instantly. So don't forget to have an account under the link. Not only that, you can verify the whole account with the NID card. You can participate in any type of contest. Everything will be done instantly, and you will get any kind of help from Forex BD. If you want, you can do all the work through our team for free. Forex BD officially works with this broker, and Forex BD organized a number of contests hosted by this popular broker. So you can take maximum advantage from here. Moreover, all the awards of those contests have been given to the winners, so if you want to participate in such an interesting contest, keep an account under the link. Before finishing the video, I would like to request those who have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe immediately and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you can get all updates.
We will make a request to you wherever you create an account, broker house or payment gateway. You must use the Forex BD's link. This will keep your account safe at all times. You will be able to participate in any type of contest. You will have the opportunity to trade in 0 pips spread. So be sure to account under the link given below. And if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button because your likes and comments give us confidence to do something better. And if you have any suggestions, you can leave a comment so that Forex BD can meet your needs all the time.